Welcome to Financial Freedom Hub, where we simplify money, investing, and wealth building so you can make smarter financial decisions and create the future you deserve. Whether you're trying to get out of debt, grow your income, start investing, or achieve financial independence, you're in the right place. Let's get started. I'm Chloe Morgan, and I'm passionate about helping people build wealth, make smarter financial decisions, and create the life they've always dreamed of.
And I'm Alpha. I love breaking down complex financial concepts into practical strategies that anyone can use to grow their money with confidence.
Imagine two people who wake up at exactly the same time every morning. Both work hard, both are intelligent, both dream of becoming financially free. Yet 10 years later, one is still living from paycheck to paycheck, while the other has built real wealth. Why does that happen?
It's a question millions of people ask. Is it luck, better education, or simply earning a higher salary? Not necessarily.
The real difference is something schools rarely teach us. Today, we're going to reveal the wealth formula that has helped ordinary people build extraordinary financial freedom. Stay with us because this lesson could completely change how you think about money. Most of us grew up hearing the same advice: study hard, get a good job, work hard. One day you'll become rich. Sounds familiar, doesn't it?
The problem is, working hard and becoming wealthy are not always the same thing. Think about the hardest working people you know: construction workers, farmers, drivers, security guards. Many work longer hours than millionaires, yet many still struggle financially.
So if hard work alone doesn't create wealth, what does?
Let's think about something simple. Every person on Earth receives exactly 24 hours every day. Nobody gets more, nobody gets less.
Now imagine your income depends entirely on those 24 hours. If you stop working, your income stops too. That's the biggest weakness of trading time for money.
Wealthy people still work hard, but they work hard on different things. Instead of asking, "How can I earn more today?" they ask, "How can I build something that keeps paying me tomorrow?" That single question changes everything.
That's where assets come in. An asset is something that continues putting money into your pocket long after you've done the work. The more assets you own, the less your life depends on your daily working hours. Let's make this practical. Imagine two friends in Nairobi. Both earn 80,000 Kenyan shillings every month.
The first spends nearly everything: a new phone, designer clothes, weekend entertainment. By the end of the month, almost nothing is left.
The second person lives a little below their means. They invest consistently. They build a small online business. Maybe they buy dividend paying shares. Maybe they save toward a rental investment.
5 years later, they didn't become wealthy because they earned more. They became wealthy because they built assets while the other built expenses. That's the power of leverage.
You don't need millions to start. Your first asset could be a YouTube channel, a small online store, dividend investments, rental property, a digital product, or a business that can operate without you being there every hour.
The important thing isn't starting big, it's starting consistently. Every asset you build reduces your dependence on selling your time.
Financial freedom doesn't happen overnight. It happens one smart decision at a time. Every investment, every asset, every lesson you apply moves you closer to freedom.
Remember this: poor people usually work for money. Wealthy people build systems that make money work for them. That mindset can change your entire future.
If today's lesson challenged the way you think about money, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Financial Freedom Hub.
And tell us in the comments, what's the first income producing asset you're going to build?
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode of Financial Freedom Hub.